It's once again that time of year. Are you having trouble coming up with Valentine's Day plans? Do you feel a little unsure on what to get someone for Valentine's Day? Remember that especially women frequently contrast their Valentine's Day presents, cards, and experiences with those of their friends and coworkers. You need to take the lead since the women always give each other the play-by-play. How much can you spend? Keep in mind that you don't need to spend a lot of money to make a significant impact. Select cards and presents that are appropriate for your relationship. Don't give a sentimental card with a long gushing message if you have only gone on a few dates. You can't just gift a bag of Smarties after dating for 5 years. In order to ensure the finest variety, purchase or order everything in advance. Purchase or have one delivered. This is customary, and I don't believe that many will find it offensive to get a rose. Buy a dozen red roses if you have the money. Purchase a card. Try adding your own commentary. Just as significant as any flowers, chocolates, or other presents are the words you choose to use. Purchase a chocolate box or bag. If you're on a tight budget, it doesn't have to be a big package or bag. Enjoy your date. Go above and beyond for your lover and provide a second present. Here are some examples.